In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Excel sheet on Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your Excel file accessible to others, either with a shareable link or by inviting specific people, all while choosing the right level of access. First, open your web browser and go to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, look for the small grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the list of Google services and then choose Drive. This will bring you straight into your Google Drive, where all your files and folders live. Once you're in Drive, head to My Drive. This is the main area where your personal files are stored. Locate the Excel sheet you want to share. If you have a lot of files, you can use the search bar at the top and type part of the file name to find it faster. When you see the file, hover over it and click the three dots icon, labeled More Actions. From the menu that appears, click Share. If a quick panel or preview opens, you may see another Share button. Go ahead and click Share again to open the full sharing dialog. In the sharing window, you'll find a section called General Access. Click it and choose anyone with the link. This setting makes the file accessible to anyone who has the link, without needing you to add them individually. Before you proceed, set the appropriate permission. Viewer, if people only need to read the file, commenter if they should leave feedback, or editor if they need to make changes. For sensitive or internal documents, consider keeping access restricted and only adding specific people, rather than enabling a public link. Now, if you want to give access to particular individuals, use the field at the top of the sharing window to type their email addresses. As you add each person, choose their role, viewer, commenter, or editor, so they get exactly the level of control you intend. You can also include a short message to provide context, like what the file contains or what action you're expecting. When everything looks right, general access set the way you want, and the right people added with the correct permissions, click Send. The recipients will receive an email with a direct link to the Excel sheet, and your link setting will work immediately for anyone who has it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully shared your Excel file on Google Drive with clear control over who can view, comment, or edit.